Okay, loops. So tell me fast now output. If you type there 3, you should get the output as like what? Squaring there. Okay, suppose here what you type there what 3. So what you got 0, 1, 4. When can you get squaring there? So simple ones. Tell me the answer now. Print or for loop. For I in range of n, then print I into I. That's it. Change theme. Dark. Python 3. For I in n, for I in range of n, then print I into I, or I star 2 also. Both are fine. So run the code. Okay, sample test cases passed. Submit code. So all done. Congratulations. Yeah, done. So 5 questions we done. Next challenge. So now, when can we say it is a leap year or not a leap year? Okay, see here, half of your answer will be available here only. Okay, half of your answer will be available over here only. So what it says, the year can be evenly divided by 4. Means what is the meaning of this one? Evenly divided means what? Let me make it small. Sorry. Okay. Color. Okay. So what is the meaning here now? Year mod 4 evenly divisible by equal to 0. Next, what is there? The year can be evenly divided by 100. It is not a leap year unless. So and year percentile 100 equal to 0, not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Then it is what? Even means what? Leap year. Then what is saying the next year? The year is also evenly divisible by what? 400. Then it is a leap year. The year is also is coming there. So when it also is coming in sort here, or you have to use now. Or year what now? Divisible by what number now? Check once there. Divisible by what? 400. So 400. If this all condition satisfies, then we say as what there? Leap year, not a leap year. Okay, leap year. Or else print not a leap year. Okay, so we'll write the coding part now. So right here. So leap is already taken there. So have to write from here. Leap equal to, okay, leap equal to what? Year mod how much? First of all 4 equal to 0, and year mod 100 is equal to not equal to 0, or year mod 400 is equal to 0. That's it. Because by default it is what here? False. Because you're doing in the functions topic. So let us run the code once. Okay. So just make a copy of this one. Today will take for a few minutes only, okay? After lunch again we'll take 1 hour or 2 hours, we'll decide. And tomorrow you want a break or not, let me know tomorrow. Let me know in evening class. Because some want to go to their villages, no? Please, one thing again I'm saying you, whatever then be ready by 16th, okay? I know festival is there, something will be there, okay? But Sankrant again is not come. Job also will come once again. But 1 month salary you want, I don't know that you think. By sitting in home, 1 month salary you're getting. Don't want to? Suppose someone giving you free 30k, 20k. Don't want to? 20k I'm giving you free. Don't want to? You say no. If you're giving me 20k, will I say no? I won't say no. Huh? No one will say no. Okay. In people, Hyderabad, okay, especially in Hyderabad, they never say no for two things. So you have two times time, okay, two times. One is in the month of this January, okay. Again in the month of January, again in the month of Feb, again in the month of March and April. So 4 times TCS connecting exam for you. How many times? 4 times. So how many mail IDs? How to create all these things? Okay. Even I thought of telling you GitHub also, where you can show the projects, all those things. So one day I'll tell you about the GitHub also. Okay. At least show some programs. Will be nice. Keeping a link also. At least 2 to 3 programs also there. Once if I show na, automatically can do. I know. Okay, but don't go in totally depth there. Search or GitHub, let us go in depth there. Okay. No. If you go now, I'm saying you 95% get confused. Because already your brain got vanished by your BTech. Okay, this is the main thing. So again, what I'm saying that your focus will be enough. Okay, done, everyone. So submit code now. Test cases. Okay, passed. Okay. So now how many points remaining more now? 15 points. So next challenge. So these are easy ones now. N equal to 5, you have to print what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can you print? Tell me now. First of all, Python 3 here. For I in range, starting from where? Check once here. 1. 1 comma n plus 1. Because you want even the 5 also. So n plus 1. That's it. 6, you can write 6 also, not an issue. But actually we have to do na code. You can type 6 also there, not an issue. That also works. So print I comma n equal to no space. Yes or no? No space. Because I want side by side there. So now run the code. Okay. Even it told what 6 also you want to keep. You can keep 6 also, not an issue. So run the code again. Why? Because you're not taking the input only here. That is the reason you have to take the what input from the user. N plus 1. This is the only problem with the HackerRank. We have to follow his own rules. Okay, we have to follow his what own rules. That's the only thing. Okay. And what about edub.org? How many done? Started at least. edub.org, I'm saying you yesterday, PCP. Homework part next week. This Sunday you have to send me. Okay. Tomorrow I'm giving time now. By Sunday, I want the proof. Whatever you're doing, take a screenshot, keep in one PDF file or whatever it is. I need the proof. Because that proof even will be uploading in the GitHub also. Got my point? Please don't upload someone's, okay? Because company is not a fool there. Okay. So submit the code. Yes, done. See. Which one? He wants some range there. That's it. Range. Whenever that like these questions are given, you have to just focus here. First 3 points. Note point, that is enough. Example. Stop here. This is very, very important. Okay. This one. And if you're having time now, because I don't want to confuse you, okay. Even you have to go with what? CodeChef also. Okay. So in your having time in the holidays, please look at this also. And if you're super done, then only go with what? LeetCode. Until then, don't go by mistake also. Don't visit by what? Mistake also. Until I told you, like what? Once a perfect with what? W3 schools, SolarLearn, PC, HackerRank, CodeChef, at least 2 programs or at least 5 programs. Then PCP, all programs have to solve and keep a screenshot of this one in a PDF file. Then if you have done all these things, then you have to prepare some interview questions. You have to check the YouTube, how they're answering the questions, all those things. Okay, because of some people, not for everyone. Suppose Chandan wrote the exam. Okay, which year note he wrote? Last year he wrote something. Example. Now I am from TCS employee. Chandan already wrote an exam. Na? Already wrote exam. I have in the list now. Chandan already wrote the exam, qualified. Okay, now. Again, if I keep a test, company name will spoil. Again, I keep for exam for what Chandan, it is will be spoiled. He'll first ask me, I already wrote the exam. Na? What happened that result? You didn't tell me anything. Either yes or no. So now directly what I'll say, Chandan, tomorrow you're having an interview, attend the interview directly. That's the point. But when the call will come, no one knows. No one knows, I'm saying. Even if a manager also, whatever you are, no one knows. Where the number is there also, no one knows. In the world, suppose 50 people applying, 50K. How many people? 50K. How many people name will be hanging Manoj Singh once? 1 person, 2 persons, 10 persons, 1,000, more than 1,000. Don't know who knows. So we can't even do all those things also. But if I'm thinking phone number will be there, that will be there, no. Then all family members will come into the company only. Tomorrow I can say, you also come, I'll also come, all will come, let's go, I'll say. Only name will be there, okay? So in a having time only, visit this website. Until then, by mistake also, don't visit, I'm saying you. Because here they'll be focusing on what? Data success part. If you're having time only, then go with this one. Colleges like CBIT, okay, only 4 colleges, not all colleges. What are those colleges name? No. CBIT is one college. CVR, G Narayanamma. KMIT, NGIT. KMIT, NGIT both are same, but they might know 2 colleges. Like how Mandar Reddy has many colleges, no? Same thing. KMIT, NGIT both are known. If you compare in all this one, topmost comes for what? CVR there. Then comes for girls what? G Narayanamma. Then comes what? KMIT, NGIT. Then comes what? No, CBIT last. Because now people spoil there. Over. Time over now. Once period was there, na? Like how Tanishq brand there or some brand there. Now that brand gone. BlackBerry. Okay, same thing. CBIT again gone. But still people preparing, okay? So when you're having some time only, go with this one. Or else never go. Because here, properly I'm saying you. Linked list there. Binary tree there. Fibonacci there. If you start with this one, na, 3 days, 1 program. That is the way you have to do. If you're doing. How many programs one day? 1 program, 3 days. That is the actual way of understanding this one. Your brain will get damaged also. Okay. That is for absolutely. Why? Because you have to understand that much depth there. That much depth only if you understand, okay, fine. But depending upon your school standards or our college standards, already half-life is over. So now it's like what? Vehicle there, what? RX100 vehicle there, but no one accepting. People not accepting in Hyderabad. 20 years over, you have to buy new vehicle, they are saying. Yes or no? Same thing here. If you're having time only, nice knowledge you're having your own capacity, then only this one. Because this will be having what? For big companies, Amazon, Google, Paytm, PhonePe, okay, those companies will be hiring. But why you want to go that suddenly that those things? We all know we don't enjoy our lives, first of all. People think we enjoyed. BTech means enjoyed, that is enjoyed. But we all know stress was there. Only what was there? Stress, tension, today exam, tomorrow exam, mid exam, that exam, assignment, this exam. Okay. So here you can go with Python. Okay. So practice everything here, each and every line. But it will take much time, I'm saying. Much time will take. Today half line, tomorrow half line, tomorrow half line. Okay. If you're having only time, patience there, do it. Not there, simply come out. Many companies are available. No one forcing, get job in Google only, get job in PhonePe only. Anyone forcing? Or anyone saying? So people will say, okay, don't worry. But you have to know your own strengths. Okay. See here. This is the companies that hire. Okay. The starting package you can expect is what? How much? How much are you expecting starting package? No, correct. At least starting from 15 lakhs. At least I'm saying, okay, at least. But basic mostly they'll be starting from 20. Okay. Depending upon your standards, maybe 15 or 20. Depending. Again, no limit there. Because I told you top colleges. Top colleges, na? Other colleges are falling there. Tomorrow college will close again. Holiday again tomorrow. Okay. CodeChef, at least you can practice these things. See, in CodeChef, what you do? 2-star ratings are na here, first of all. Just go to your profile once. Still more 3 programs if you solve. I think more 3 or 4 programs if you solve, you'll be getting 3-star ratings. Okay. But don't do it one time. We can do it one day also, no? Can't we do a one day sit here, come, let's start. Morning to evening, we'll finish. Yes or no? But why I'm doing, or why are we doing one time 3 programs or one time 4 programs? It will show our consistency. See here, let me show one there, profile there, or submissions or leaderboard there. See here. How many programs we done? Which time we done? How much time we done? View results, all these things. See here. So leaderboard, your name will come. I don't know which rank will come there. Here, yeah, here. Not number 1. Today's score it is, I think so, maybe. But only 1% there. Mukundan there, some will be there. Okay, there. So your name also should be coming there. Okay, got the point now? Your name, discussions will be there, it will be there, Twitter will be there. The total profile also will come there. Wait 1 minute. Profile or something, I don't know. Many years over. Like this will come. Print function when done? A day ago. This will come. So daily I'm logging or not, that's the main point. In month of Jan, daily I'm logging, or this will one day batting done, khatam, copy paste, done, khatam, stopped there. One day we can do, not an issue. One day 3-star ratings is not a good, is not a hard work. Within 1 hour or 2 hours, I can just say, I'll give you the code, copy paste, khatam over. Yes or no? But don't do like this. One day 2 programs, one day 3 programs. Suppose today I'm doing 5 programs. How many programs today? 5 programs. Tomorrow my health got spoiled. Tomorrow I'm doing 2 programs or 3 programs. Next day more spoiled. I'm doing 1 program. Next day, totally feeling unrest, no time only. Then 0. Then what happened? My graphs goes down. This coloring part is missing. This person is consistent daily. He's checking the programs, doing exactly daily visiting there or not. So this is a thing to check there. Okay. How many days ago? Which program? Which day done? Is he maintaining the standard? Like, is he understanding the code or not? No one check there. Your program done, not done. Daily, how many programs are doing? At least 4 programs. Okay, means what? This fellow, this person is trying to understand, then doing, then again next day doing 1 more program. That is the reason. All is 1 program I can tell you in 1 day also. Khatam. By evening class, 3-star ratings or 4-star ratings or 5-star ratings also be done. Okay, but don't do that mistake. Because one shouldn't done. That's why it happened. Okay. Remaining all things here, education, you can fill this. And this username you have to keep in what? Your resume. Hackerrank.com. Like this exactly what is in here. This exactly you have to keep in what? Your resume part. Okay. So now come back to CodeChef here. Okay. In CodeChef also make a sign up account. Make up what? Sign up account. New user or login. So I'll keep a sign up. New user. So suppose name you keep there. Python HD. Mail, some name, mail you keep properly there. Password you keep properly. Please write password somewhere, okay? Don't be like me, where I'll make multiple accounts and forget. After 2 years, 1 year, I'll remember again. Oh, I had the account there. Okay, so please write password, what you have done. Whenever creating account, now, please write in some book. Nothing is going to happen. Okay, why? Because one mail I created 2015 or 16. After many years, I got that mail. Very, very important. So please don't forget your mail ID password. I'm saying you. But temp mail will come or not, no one knows. We can't do these things. That's I told you. Again, I have to sign up now. That's the main time. Okay, came. A6 BBC 12. 12. Huh? A6 BBC 12. Correct? Okay. So here don't set difficulty level or boot camp or anything there because you can't do solve problem there. So add two numbers before going here. Practice beginner there or not there? So click on first of all home. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. When you're having some time, read this all these things. Click on what here? Practice problems. So now what will come here? Beginner will come, easy will come, medium will come, hard will come, challenge, all this will come. Select bot beginner. So now add two numbers here. So click on add two numbers. Now some time is there, you have to spend some time. Okay. If you're having some time, read. Okay. Don't jump. Okay. Don't jump because this will be helping you to crack your interview questions or TCS questions or whatever there. I can say at least properly if you spend time now, at least your 80% chance of getting the same question from here only. 80% chance of getting the same question here only. Again, same question is not exactly same. 2 years old means 12 years old only there. Same thing. The same thing will come there in the question paper. Never ever in the coding same question comes. Okay, but last time some students got same paper. But next time interview there, next time suppose tomorrow I have exam. Tomorrow you have exam. My paper, your paper, it won't be same. But he told last class like he wrote the exam last time and this time same question came. Listen. Same or different? Last time and now same question. No. So question will come different. Okay. So luck will be there sometimes. Okay, but 90% questions won't be coming same. But if you understand these programs now, then 80% chance of getting their what is cracking the questions. And please don't skip. Okay, asking intercoding questions, solve it. Okay, don't skip. Whether you know, don't know, copy, paste, whatever you're doing, okay, not a problem. I told you in the company there are 90% people or 80% people who don't know anything. See, starting, no one knows anything. I'm saying na. I also don't know anything. Starting, nothing we know. If we know, then again like wait. BSNL ads, I don't know. The day will get born, immediately he'll start walking, start using tablet. Have you seen that ad? Baby gets born, immediately he'll start net. He'll be going to school, everything starting only within one day only. That much level you're having? No. We don't know anything. We even can't speak also. Starting 4 months or 5 months, we can't speak also. Same thing here. Until you join company, after 3 months or 4 months only, you'll get the idea. Until then, we don't know anything, I'm saying. So don't think you are the only person who don't know anything. 90% people, freshers, don't know anything at the starting. After 4 months only, you become. Why all those when you're going to school, new admission are taking? First 10 days of BTech, how it will be? Tell me once. First 10 days of BTech, different. Coming to second year, third year, by fourth year, what will happen? Khatam, total wings will come out. Which classroom, which room, don't know only. Same thing in the company also, I'm saying. Na? First 10 days or what? First 2 months. Okay, first 2 months will be what? Very difficult period. After 2 months will be what? Totally smooth period, I'm saying. Okay. So you have to focus on here, I'm saying. Hacker rank, coach, if you have to focus. So now we don't have time that much. So just I'll show you there. So I'm taking the sample input 3. What is coming there? 1, 2. If I'm taking there, what? Suppose 100 and 200. What is coming there? Wait. No. 3 if I'm passing 3. Okay. 1, 2 I'm passing what I'm getting the 3. 100, 200 if I'm passing the what? 300. 10, 40 if I'm passing a 50. What is the thing here? He's asking, keeping how many times he wanted to do the code? 3 times. Normally, when you're doing our programs in the VS Code, when you're executing the program, how many times you can pass the input from the user? 1 time. But if you want to pass now multiple times, then this while loop comes under the picture now. While loop, for range, all things come under the picture now. Now, there is one person called as what? Vicky. He has 1-star rating. You also need to have at least what? 1-star rating at least. 1 or 2. 1 rating at least enough. At least what? 1. So when you done this program, sir, not done. The question came. All old questions will be there. That's the only thing problem. So now I don't know how to do the coding part. So now I want to see who has done this coding part. What's the question there? Add 2 numbers. So click on all submissions. So click on your language, Python 3.6. Click on go. So now we can know who has done the Python on the Python what this program. Who has done Chief, Uma, then Puneet, so and so persons. So let us see the code now. If you want to check the history, you can check the history also there. So Chiefs is a person there. So he's from which country? Canada. So and so state, all things will come. How many days is participation? All these things will come. Daily, how much time is spending there? No submissions. Nothing program solved. Okay, one program is solved. When he solved, we don't know. Okay, but he solved today only. Yes or no? You can see there. Just what? 10 seconds ago. Okay, so now let me open someone's program there. Uma program. Let me click on what their view. So now we can see the coding part. Okay, so let me stop till here. Okay, because meeting is going to end there. Yes, others join the same link once again. Okay, join the same link once again after 2 minutes. Okay, very important discussion. So I want to complete this discussion in this period.